here at Knowledge Fest in Dallas, Texas, where we just showed off our new line of MVi amplifiers. MVi is a really cool new amplifier line for us in the marine side of things. We've actually taken our successful VXI amplifiers, which we introduced last year on the car audio side. These are really nice amplifiers that have integrated DSP, our new Next D2 switching technology, which makes them extremely efficient, which means they're very friendly on the charging systems in your vehicle. And what we've done is we've taken that popular VXI line and we've actually transitioned it to where it makes sense in the marine world. So these are marine amplifiers that have built-in DSP technology. There's some really cool things you can do with DSP. We can now go in and customize boats to that next level. And one of the things that's unique about MVi, while they're based on the VXI platform, they've been customized for the marine market. And that means they're more designed for more complex multi-zone systems that are becoming more and more popular in the marine world. Also for multi-zone source units such as our Media Master, the MVi amplifiers actually utilize a different input and output structure, which allows us to hook up multiple inputs. And we also have multiple pre-outs on the MVi, which have DSP abilities as well. So it really allows a lot more flexibility when you're connecting large multi-amp systems, especially with our new version of Tune software. The MVi side of our Tune software gives us, as you can see down here, we have extra pre-outs that we can now DSP. A cool feature with that is if we have an amplifier already in the vessel, we can now bless it with DSP technology, which means we can adjust the equalizer, the levels. We can take what already is an awesome sounding system and take it to that next level with the tunability of our MVi amplifiers. Some other nice benefits of having onboard DSP on an amplifier, on MVi as well as our VXI platform, the DSP completely manages the amplifier. That means everything is synchronized. You have better sonic performance, better fidelity, and just an all-around happy, cohesive sounding system. Our Next D2 switching technology, again, is a fantastic technology to have in the marine world. One of the benefits about having an efficient amplifier means it doesn't need as much juice. And since on the marine side of things, a lot of listening happens off power. We're either anchored at the dock or resting on the shore or anchored out in the water, hanging out. We have to rely on the batteries, and we want amplifiers that are as friendly as possible on that battery or charging system. And the new Next D2 technology found in MVi helps make sure we can play as nicely as we can with the charging system, but still have awesome sounding sound on the water. We have two chassis sizes. We have a smaller chassis and a larger chassis. We do have a full range of models, 800 watt 8 channels, 600 watt 6 channels, a couple 5 channels, we have 2 channel, we have monoblock for our subwoofer systems. As you can see here, we do have the extra pairs of inputs, extra pairs of pre-outs, so we can send DSP signal to other amplifiers, even if they don't have DSP built in, which is really, really cool. We have water marine grade output connectors for our speakers. When this connector is actually connected, it uses a Deutsch connector plug to connect. So we have a watertight connection for our speaker wires that are going to be run from the amplifier to our drivers. A couple accessories that allow you to toggle through presets like the MDRC50. One of the cool things about having the amplifiers with DSP is you can actually create different presets. What that means is we can really have up to 6 different systems, different tunes, different signal path routing, and you can cycle through the different systems that are programmed to the amplifier by pushing in the button on the MDRC50 adapter, which is really cool. We'll also have the ability with the MVi hub to connect our Bluetooth adapter, the VXI BTC, and we can, on top of using a computer to adjust these amplifiers, Mac or Windows, we can also use a tablet like an iPad or an Android tablet and wirelessly control everything on the amplifier, which is something that's really cool and kind of more convenient, especially when you're out in a vessel. Sometimes it's hard to take a laptop out on the water with you. Tablet's a little smaller to work with, and it's just another way for you to be able to adjust the amps when you're out in the wild.